How nice would it be to have a melty pita fold over while watching the Super Bowl? Here are 4 ingredients from our market section. Ajvar, Armenian String cheese, Zaatar, you mix it up with some olive oil, and artichokes. Slice your pita wrap just like a tortilla, and then lay those ingredients in segments on the wrap. For those of you that don't know, Ajvar is a roasted red bell pepper eggplant dip. Slightly sweet and spicy, and tastes great with these other 3 ingredients. Now fold the wrap carefully, press it tight, and put it into a sauté pan to melt the cheese. It only takes about 2 minutes on either side before your sandwich is ready. I highly recommend you make a ton of these for everyone who's watching the Super Bowl on Sunday, because in my experience, they go way too quick. That melty cheese with zaatar is everything. You may need a napkin for this one.